Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup iPhone contacts to iCloud and export vCard easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Select iCloud from the list of options. In the iCloud menu, find Contacts and toggle it on to enable iCloud backup. If prompted, choose to merge your contacts with iCloud to keep them up to date. Next, wait a moment for your contacts to sync to iCloud. Now, open a web browser on your computer and visit iCloud.com. Log into your iCloud account using your Apple ID and password. Once logged in, click on the Contacts icon. In the Contacts section, select all the contacts you want to export. To select all contacts at once, press Command and A on Mac or Control and A on Windows. After selecting your contacts, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Export vCard. The vCard file will then begin downloading to your computer. Find the downloaded vCard file in your Downloads folder. You now have a backup of your iPhone contacts in iCloud and as a vCard file on your computer. This process ensures your contacts are safely stored and easily accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.